Hello everyone, this is Given Black. I'm back with another tutorial where I'll show you how I did my current song titled Sindawonye. On today's video, I'm reviewing a song I did in collaboration with Nati. It's been a great journey as I will be doing a lot of work with him. And before we begin with the tutorial, I would like to announce to you that there's a free gift that I'll be giving away at the end of this video. All I'm asking for is for you to stay with me up until then. Let's begin. So from this one, it's gonna be a little bit different because I'm gonna be showing you the sounds of the project from the playlist, not on the channel rack. I'm gonna start with track 1. Track 1, it's a kick. Similar to the kick. Bongos. The dead bongo. A conga. A cowbell. A snare. A rim. Shakers. Then we come to melodies. A church bell? I don't know. This one, it's a sound that we consolidated because it was taking more space on the CPU, so we had to make it a WAV file. Obvious. chorus. This one, it's a string. It's a one-way string. The bass. It might sound as if it's out of tune, but when it's mixed with the other sound, it sounds so nice. Oh, and another thing, with colliders you can do a lot, so you can even maybe pitch them down to find more nice tunes. Just listen to this. You hear that? So I use this strategy a lot in my songs. These are the entire vocals of the song. So that's it. Let's hear the half of the full song. So that's how we made the song, that's how we produced the song with Nati. Please let me know in the comments what other music production would you like me to cover on this channel. And the giveaway we just talked about at the beginning of this video, it's that Nati and I decided to give away the acapella of this song for free, 100% free, so you can be able to use it on some of your projects or even do a DJ mixing with it. All you have to do is to just go to the link below in the description. But before you do that, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video and click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release another video. Peace.